We're in a temporary learning space in Gaza City. You can see that it's a tent. It's not a proper school, but this is how we have to set up these temporary learning spaces. We have 110 of these temporary learning spaces throughout Gaza now, with almost 120,000 children. And actually this activity that's going on here is not just about education. What we're trying to do is mix education with dealing with the trauma that these children have experienced. Child protection services. And this is a system called Play and Heal. So we get the kids together. We've trained workers from an NGO that UNICEF supports to help them express themselves and deal with the traumas of the last 2 years. Education is the most important thing that people demand whenever you meet people in the street. Apart from pure survival, which is water and so on, every single mother that you meet asks you to open a school. So that's why we're trying to get these kids back in, because this is their hope for the future. They have the same rights as every other child in the world to get a good education and have a good future.